In this video, we are going to see how you can add new asset types in Xero Cloud Accounting software in your company. So for example, if I go to this accounting tab and click on fixed asset right here, and if you're facing this issue that you have some of the assets in draft and you're unable to change it to registered just like this, how we can do this? So even if we add the new asset, we will enter all of the details, but still we won't be able to see this register icon. That's because we are unable to select the asset type, especially if you're using the new company and you haven't created any asset type before. You will have no option to select here. And let's say we are not able to figure out how we can do this. As we can see here, in this case, we have furniture and fixture, but in your case, it might be completely blank. So it's very simple to resolve, guys. All you have to do is just change the access type of the company in Xero. So what you can do is just click on this company name, whatever you have, and just locate this My Xero option at the bottom corner of the menu. Now, as we can see here that the access is set to standard, all we have to do is just change it here and just select this option that says manage user access for whatever your company name is. Just click here. And from here, just again, click on the user and just change this standard access to advisor. And remember to update the permissions afterwards. You will notice how many new options is enabled in the advisor options. Even if you're facing problems with finding the manual journals as well, you can solve this issue with this adjustment. Just change it to advisor and remember to click on update permissions, otherwise it will not save the settings. And just go back, and that's all what you have to do. Now, if I go to the assets area, as we can see here, we have many new options. That's why we need to even scroll this down in the menu. So we have the manual journals option as well and fixed assets. Just go to the fixed assets and let's see if we are able to add a new asset type. Yes, we have this option. So this is how you can resolve this asset type issue, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button. Also, if you want to see other amazing tips and tricks on Xero Cloud Accounting software, you can join the playlist link in the description. Also, if you want to join our complete course from basic to advanced complete features, you can find the course link in the description as well. And with this said, this is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.